let's see it up close. Oh, dang, that's like bomb glitter, girl. 3 glitters? Woo!
I also got a rare.
Rare. All right, let's see what it is. Oh, dang, some sunny shades. Hey, my guy, what it do? All right, do it. Zach, what have you got?
Got an epic.
It's an epic. Let's see. Slime. Oh, yeah, but what kind of slime is it? Unwrapped, slippery,
Splat slime. Yellow.
splat slime.
Oh my gosh! Look what we just found.
What is...
Legendary.
A legendary Jory! Legendary, legendary, legendary.
No way!
No! Mario! 3D World, Super Mario. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to play this so bad. All right, what else, Max?
I got a rare.
Let's see it.
A yo-yo!
Oh yeah, we're about to do some tricks with the yo-yo. We're gonna learn some tricks. Hey, yo-yo, what it do? All right, Zach, what's that?
I got a legend. So we can play.
Oh, yes! Oh my gosh, yes, for the Switch? Sweet! Now we can do it for a Mario.
What's that behind you?
Wait a dang minute. Oh, yeah. We're about to play.
It's common. Let's see.
Okay, a common. Let's see. Candy! Oh, yeah, we love a good Candy Crush.
A rare? Oh,
Rare. Oh, these are the good ones. Oh, heck yeah! Some sixlets. Oh, that's the good stuff. What's in there, Zacamo?
I got epic.
Oh, Oh, yes. That thing is cool,
I'm
dude.
gonna find.
A rare.
Let's see. Yes, I'm gonna make this a secret, okay?
Okay. What is it? No way! The best sparkle color that you can have. And the last but not least package, which is a common, but still quite unique. A dice game! And thanks for watching. We're out.